Hello, investors and traders, and I'm coming to you today from candlecharts.com. This is Candle Charts Resistance and Support Group, and I'm Brian Houston, and I wanted to talk to you about your Trading Development Support Network. We've just created this. We've done a beta test. We've had our feedback now, and we want to launch this out so that you can take advantage of it immediately. There's a risk disclosure found at candlecharts.com/disclosure. Again, we make sure that people understand the risks prior to placing any trade. So please take the time, read this risk disclosure, and understand it before placing any trades. So why not stand out from the crowd with an improved trading success formula? And again, join the Candle Charts Resistance and Support Group. We're here, we're building better success, basically with a nice little formula that's going to help you not only save money, but also make more money as well. So there's two assets that we're looking at here. So the Resistance and Support Group, we've got trading rules, and again, trading rules, well, what is that? It's a trading strategy. So what are your trading rules? And if you don't understand what they are, what they should be, how to use them, how to create them, we're here to help you. And we're going to be running specific classes on developing a trading strategy. So find the winning formula by analyzing both the trading rules, the strategy, and much, much more. Setting and managing your trading expectations. Again, whether you're a day trader, intraday, 1 minute, 5 minute chart, day chart, week chart, it doesn't matter. But again, we need to have reasonable expectations from various types of trades. So again, all time frames are going to be considered, all markets, and also different types of volatility in the market. So here's Jim, and thank you, Jim, for writing into us. And he said, this program served to get me started on things that I knew that I needed: a written plan and a journal. And writing the entry and exit strategy in advance for each trade helps a lot. And already Jim is indicating that he's making more money, cutting his losses, but making more money. And he knows where his trade should be going. It's not just a matter of clicking to enter and then saying, oh, right, when should I get out? Oh, I shouldn't have taken that trade. This is about understanding and getting in at the right time. So selection criteria and use of the trading journal. Again, how to find winning trade opportunities. This does come back to your strategy. And we do keep coming back to the strategy because it is important, but how to replicate your success and have continual complementary trades that help you win. So winning percentages and of course, risk and reward. Okay, what makes us successful traders? And what is the way to win at trading? Did you realize that you don't have to win at every single trade to be a successful trader? And that's one of the keys. And we do run through this. And even some of the best traders are only successful about 40 to 42% of the time, even as low as 22% of the time, and yet they still have continuously growing portfolios. We're going to show you how. We talk about this on a regular basis. So again, let the money flow in to your account because that's what you want. So the Candle Charts Resistance and Support Group, and again, it is about each other. We're going to talk about all of our different trade strategies, all of our chart setups, the types of markets we're trading, why do we trade it, why did we take a trade, why did we not take a trade? What was a successful trade and what didn't pay us, but wasn't necessarily unsuccessful. It just was a losing trade. And sometimes the market just doesn't go the way that we want. But again, we're going to share we share this information amongst the team and the group and help us all to learn how to feel more successful inside. And here's Luana, and again, reviewing and discussing member good and bad trades. She really liked that. And of course, but when I changed taking screenshots and marking where she entered and exited, her progress in trading grew exponentially. Now, isn't that great to know? So again, she had been just taking normal written journal entries. Now she's taking screenshots and she's getting a better visual of her trades, and she was able to adjust and squeeze out more profits. Isn't that how it's all about? Again, this is about squeezing out more money out of the markets. So again, it's traders like you and me, and we all need support and someone to talk off, to bounce ideas off of, and then we can all sort of chime in and say, well, I like it, I don't like it. It's okay, but if you grab 1, 2 ideas, maybe a week, maybe a month, you should find yourself becoming much, much more successful. So sharing, and that's what this group is all about. Whether you want to share verbally, you can speak. We have you can bring your own microphone and your headset, or type in, and I'll read off your question and comments. And of course, share the good and the bad trading decisions. Let's talk about it. See how we can squeeze money out of those trades, and what can you do to improve. What needs to be repeated? How do you need to repeat it? And of course, to speak freely within the group. There we go. Participation will increase your success probability. Absolutely. And I think everybody could see that from the beta test. And as a group, we contributed to a few topics each week. And, people would ask more questions. Sometimes we held that over until the next week. But again, that created the agenda for the next week. So understand and apply best practice, whatever that might mean for you. And again, we help to formulate that and get the right strategy working for you. So we all have a chance to ask questions, submit details of your trades, and to learn from everybody's sharing opportunity here. So develop a solid trader success strategy, how to find all the best trades and the time frames that suit you and your personality, how to set up my charts, when to enter a trade, when to exit a trade, and how to deal with your emotions. And again, a lot of people, I was surprised, a lot of people made comments on my emotions within the trade, maybe just before the trade, maybe just after entering the trade, and then of course exiting the trade. Oh my God, I look at all the money I left on the table. Well, let's talk about that, because again, once we nail this down, you're going to be a confident, calm trader, and you're going to know your strategy and your success formula. And here's Yancel, and it was very beneficial to talk to Brian, she says, directly, and she liked the interaction between Brian and the members. And she's focusing on candle patterns to reverse at key support and resistance areas. And she's using a trading journal, what I did right and what I did wrong, and she keeps refining the process to be a more profitable trader. Yancel, I think she's doing a great job. So there we go. What are we going to do? Well, participate. Come and join us and participate in an interactive group and be able to improve your trading techniques and success. This is completely brand new, and it's a unique method that we've implemented here at CamelCharts.com. And again, it's to help you achieve your best trading and investing. And it's designed, of course, to help everyone from beginner to a seasoned trader and investor. Everyone can take advantage of this because, there's always little fine tuning that we need to do, should do. The market is not consistent. If it was, we would all be multimillionaires. So again, this is about fine tuning and building our confidence up so that we are confident and successful traders with our own success formulas, right? And it's the first time ever this interactive group has been designed and developed, and with your trading skill set strategy in mind. There we go. So we're going to have 12. We're initially launching 12 sessions, and they're going to start at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's New York time. And there's going to be recordings, so don't worry about that, because some people won't be able to join live. But again, there's going to be the recording set up. We're going to have a Facebook group. I know I'm jumping the gun there, but there is a private Facebook group so that, again, we can add in extra comments during the week, 7 days a week. These are some of the topics we're going to talk about, which is managing your expectations, your trade expectations. Of course, we've got the trading rules, selection criteria, using the journal, risk reward, trading discipline, strategies, all sorts of different strategies, let me tell you. Data analytics, when shouldn't you trade? Somebody made a comment that, when he stays up late watching the football some nights, the next day his trades were always poor. Guess what? There's a key signal. Don't trade that next day. Just don't do it. Because if it doesn't work statistically, just avoid that day. And that's what it's all about. Trading psychology, as we talked about, MAVD, and much more. And if you're wondering what MAVD is, well, that actually comes from Harvard, and it's all about monitoring, analyzing, validating, developing, and implementing your trading strategy and your rules to make you a better, successful trader. And it's fantastic. So session dates, they're going to start on June 5th. We're going to go June 5th, 12th, 19th, 26th. We're going to miss the July 4th weekend, which is actually July 3rd. It's a Saturday. And then July 10th, 17th, 20th, 4th, 31, and 4 weeks in August. And that will be it. So again, why not come and join us at Candle Charts Resistance and Support Group and share in some very great success habits. click the button behind me, and you'll find it underneath. But again, click the button, register, join the group. We would love to have you. We want to hear about your successful trades and your less than successful trades, and let's help you build a better success strategy. And we're all going to share together, and we're all going to build better successful strategies. Going to consider different markets, different opportunities, looking at different time frames. Even though you may only trade from one particular window, look at different time frames, and there's secrets hidden within the charts. So this is taking candle charts to the next level. Wish you all the best, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you at the Candle Charts Resistance and Support Group. This is going to be amazing. I want to see you. Come and join us. You will not be disappointed. This is going to be fantastic. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye for now.